What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a new and beautiful tweak. This tweak will give you the iOS 16 lock screen on all iPhones. If you love the iOS 16 lock screen but don't want to upgrade and lose your jailbreak, now with this tweak you can get it for free. As you see, you can customize the lock screen widget, customize the time, the colors, date and more. You can change the time and date font, color, and also you can use custom fonts and more. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add the source, Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search and search for AIM tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. AIM tweak brings the iOS 16 lock screen to jailbroken iPhones running iOS 13, 14, and iOS 15. One of the things that makes iOS 16 stand out from previous iPhones updates is the sheer amount of the personalization Apple provides for end users on the lock screen. Sadly, many jailbreakers don't have the luxury of using these features as they are still running iOS 13 or 14 or iOS 15. But this tweak can bring several of iOS 16 lock screen experience elements to jailbroken handsets, so you won't feel like you are missing out some on pretty amazing features by not updating. Alright guys, now just go ahead and install it. Click install, confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. Of course, the first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here. In the first option here, you can customize lock screen time, so you can use any font you want. I'm using custom font. From here, you can change the time format and also enable 24-hour format. After changing the formats, make sure guys to click Save Format to apply the changes. From here, you can change the time alignment. You can put the time on the center, right or left. I like the right alignment, so I'm using the right alignment. You can customize the time colors, and here you can change the time font. You can use any of these fonts or you can just use custom font. I'm using a custom font. Here you can change the font size, and here you can change the time position, so you can move the time up or down. From here you can customize the date which appears at the top of the time and use custom font, colors and more. As you see, you can customize the date and you can also use custom font and change the date alignment, so you can put the date on the center, right or left. You can also change the date style and much more. From here you can customize the widgets on the lock screen. There are a lot of options like change the widget, sunset or sunrise, widget format and more. Here you will find more options like enable text shadow, custom swipe up text, custom no older notifications and more. You can from here hide charging animation and also hide quick actions. Alright guys, as you see, this tweak is really amazing tweak and I recommend you to give it a try as it is completely free tweak. It will make your lock screen more beautiful and more modern. You don't need to update to iOS 16 anymore. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.